Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video we'll learn about what are the advantages and disadvantages while performing the exploratory testing. The first thing we'll try to understand what are the advantages of exploratory testing. The exploratory testing basically when you do not have any documentation available, when do not have enough time, that is the time we will be executing the test using exploratory mechanism. When we have lesser time for preparation or designing the test, that is the time we will be adopting this exploratory testing. And also using exploratory testing we can find the issues as early as possible. As and when we have an application, we can directly go and execute the test without writing any test cases, without preparing anything. That is the beauty of exploratory testing. Exploring the application quickly, the tester also can learn new things, and also he can understand what are the features are implemented, what are the things really it is working on the ground. Based on that, he can gain more knowledge about that application in a very quicker manner. These are the three important advantages of exploratory testing. Then we will try to understand what are its disadvantages. The main disadvantages of exploratory testing is it is very difficult to track the testing progress using this exploratory mechanism because there is no planned test available in the beginning itself. Because of that, we cannot definitely estimate the efforts to complete the overall testing is planned for this exploratory testing. The second disadvantage here is unless if you do not bring a good testing experience or a good domain expertise, it is very difficult to perform an exploratory testing, because unless if you do not have a knowledge on the application, knowledge on that domain, it is very much difficult to explore the application, to explore the different parts of the application. Then the third disadvantage here is because initially the testers or anybody who tests this application who doesn't have any knowledge, in gaining the knowledge of that application also takes lot of time. That is also another disadvantages while performing the exploratory testing.